of support that we provide to you and all of that. So yeah, here are some of the recent automations that we've built, and are actually some of the common or popular automations that we've worked with for some of our clients in the past years so far. We built an automated WhatsApp broadcast system, which is very intelligent in terms of having context of what the business is all about, the need for the broadcast and all of that. So users will not just receive the broadcast, but they will be able to respond to the broadcast with their responses. And then the responses are then collected. And then based on the responses, the users are being grouped into different categories based on the need for why they were sent in the first place. So if a user responds in affirmation, they are put into different categories, different from those who respond with a negative feedback. They also put into different feedback database, our Airtable database. And also we have another section for those who did not respond at all. And this flow can differ depending on what kind it is and what the need for the WhatsApp broadcast system was at the point of creating it. Another system we have is the lead capture on CRM Sync, which works similarly to the WhatsApp broadcast thing, but the difference is that it's basically the same thing. The difference is that the tool used, or where the data has been coming from, or where the user is interacting with the system from, can be WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform that provides us API to interact with it, right? And this is not limited to just particular platform alone. So another system we have is the e-commerce inventory sync. For this particular one, it was basically a unique case for an e-commerce platform that wanted to automate the process of managing e-commerce inventory with real-time two-way sync between Shopify store and the physical warehouse inventory, reducing stock outs by 95%. So we built an automation that notifies updates the Shopify store when there is a physical outage of some of those goods that have been sold on the Shopify store. Another very important one is the CRM and MLS integration pipeline. What we built here is an automated real estate data synchronization between CRM system and multiple listing services, reducing manual data entry by 95%. So the outcome for this was a real estate agent or real estate company wanted to have automation that would save the time spent into updating the data on the multi-listing and services platform, where they have to go there by themselves to manually update if a property is available or it's not, or the price changed. All of that manual work was replaced by an automation, basically by a whole lot, and saving a lot of money, saving a lot of time and effort. So similar to the first one, which is the AI-powered WhatsApp business automation. This is basically a bot-like experience to any business, right? So it's a WhatsApp chatbot that responds to customers instantly, not just any chatbot, but this chatbot has a lot of intelligence and context of what the business is all about, context of who the user is, context of what the user wants, and previous conversations with the user. So it's basically, in short, a customer support agent on steroids, right? And this has helped in a lot of ways to so many businesses that this was deployed for. It's a dedicated 24/7 WhatsApp AI bot that handles customers' orders, inquiries, support requests with intelligent conversations and flows as seamless, and the handoff to human agents when needed. So yeah, that's it. For the human-like AI call agent system, it's an advanced call agent that sounds 100% like a human and automatically picks up the call when the call comes into your business line. It automatically picks up the call, handles customer's inquiry, just like any human would, or having a call agent on the other side of the phone picking up the call and then addressing the customer would. This is very impressive because to the number of clients we've deployed this for, it has gone a long way to help them reach a lot more people all the time without having to be out of contact, or without having a time where they are actually out of contact with their customers and relating directly with their the people who patronize their businesses. So an example of this is a system deployed for one of the restaurants in the city. Basically takes orders from calling customers. So a customer can call in the line and then he picks up the call, sounding 100% like a human, and then addressing them based on their name and all of that. Take the order, provide support with natural conversation capability and all of that. Yeah, I would one of the demos show how it works and all of that. We have DMS, workflow automation, multi-platform lead distribution, and yeah. So now on how we work. The mode of our operation basically is a very simple, straightforward pattern, right? First of all, have a conversation with you to discover your current processes, right? Identify bottlenecks and automation opportunities, right? So we have an overview of what it is you do, the processes you have currently, and then we try to identify the bottlenecks that are existing in the current system you have, and then find possible ways we can automate some part of it to help you focus on the main core of your business. Then the next step is to design. We map out the perfect workflow architecture tailored to your specific business need. After the design, coming up with a structure, a pattern, and all of that, we then move into the building phase where we basically our engineers build automation with different tools depending on what is best suited for your need at the point in time. It could include custom code, integrations, and third-party platforms and services. Yeah, so once we're done building and time for deployment, we first of all do a run test, serious test on our end to ensure there's compliance from the AI agent, not breaking any law, and ensuring that there is 100% adherence to industry standards and ethics. And then we do a test run to you locally to see how it works. If you approve of it, then we deploy it to an open space where you can use it, and then we can call it very active. Apart from that, we also provide you support over the next few weeks to see if there's anything that goes wrong. We can help you address that at that point in time to help you have a seamless automation process. We've had a couple of businesses that we've been able to deploy this for over the years. All of them had come back with positive feedbacks and testimonies of how our systems have helped them eliminate manual work, save money, save time, and improve on their business processes. These are very positive feedbacks, and we can't wait to do that same for you also. So like I mentioned earlier, my name is Manuel, the lead software engineer and automation expert at Automated NG. Software engineer with expertise in front-end, back-end, mobile, and AI engineering, specialized in building intelligent automation system that transforms complex business processes into streamlined AI-powered workflows. So I'm basically reading up from my probably plus years experience in building software solutions, including AI systems and automations. Core expertise for automations are end-to-end. These are make the integration on WhatsApp and all of it. Whatever it's required to get the job done is our expertise. You can connect with me on LinkedIn